In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish ideas in TradingView. If you've built a chart you're proud of and want to share your market view, TradingView's Ideas feature lets you post it publicly or keep it private for your own records. The process is quick, and by the end, you'll know exactly which settings to choose so your post reaches the right audience. Start on the chart you want to showcase. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button, then choose Publish Idea. This opens the idea editor and pulls in your current chart layout, so any drawings, indicators, and time frames you've set will be included. Think of this as your cover page for the analysis you're about to share. Next, enter your idea. Give it a clear, specific title that names the symbol and time frame. In the description box, explain what you're seeing on the chart and why it matters. Summarize the setup, note key levels, and outline what would confirm or invalidate your view. Keep it concise, but informative. Readers appreciate a quick takeaway and the logic behind it. If your chart uses multiple time frames, mention that context in your text so people understand the bigger picture. Double-check that your chart annotations are visible and not overlapping important price data before you continue. Now, set the publishing options. Choose your privacy setting. Public if you want the community to see and comment, or private if you're using ideas as a personal journal. Select whether this post is an analysis or a tutorial. Analysis highlights your market outlook. Tutorial focuses on teaching a concept or technique. Pick your investment strategy label, long, short, or neutral, so viewers immediately grasp your bias. Add relevant categories and tags to improve discoverability. Think in terms of asset class, strategy style, and indicators used. Accurate tagging helps your idea appear in the right feeds and search results, and it makes it easier for followers to find similar content from you later. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your idea goes live with your chart snapshot, title, and description, and it will appear on your profile and in the appropriate public streams based on the settings you chose. You can always return later to build on the theme with new ideas as the market evolves. That's all there is to it. With a thoughtful title, a clear explanation, and the right settings, you'll publish confident, easy-to-find ideas in TradingView.